Trust me.
Oh, what was that? Where you say those rooms were? We recording. What you say? Oh man. What up, team? What up, family? What up, world? It's your brother, your boy, your educator for the evening, for the morning. It's KOBK, guys. It stands for Knocked Out by Knowledge, Prime Military Air Force Combat Veteran. And I'm here today to give you exactly what we do every single day with these lovely scholars that are on the call right now. These guys that were on this call this morning, let me tell y'all, they was all cutting up this morning. I just found out we got a guy on here that sells juices and berries for your beard. So we definitely gonna be linking up with him to get some of them juices and berries. But guys, listen, today we're gonna do something a little different but the same. We're gonna look at this, we're gonna look at the market, we're gonna see what type of trades present themselves today, and we're gonna take those trades. But today we're gonna use the Daniel strategy. Now, Daniel's strategy is really, really powerful. We're going to be taking trades at 5-second intervals. It's no time for the faint of heart. So when you guys see them trades going, it is go time. But the strategy is really easy. You guys have been following me for a while and seeing how I trade the reckoning. Well, the Daniel is easier than the reckoning, meaning there's less things that we have to pay attention to when looking for the trade. Our candles will be on 5-second intervals. We will be taking 5-second trades, but I added a couple other things to my chart while trading this. Now, when you get your Daniel strategy from my website at www.kobksalute.com, your package won't come with what you see on my chart. But if you want the settings that I have on my chart, like a few of the scholars on this call do, just contact me and we'll set you up. But you have to first get through the understanding and the knowledge of how to utilize the Daniel strategy while trading on the platform that we will be using today, which is Pocket Options. Now, before I go ahead and dive into this, there's a couple things we got to look at first. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and look at our currency strength meter. You guys already know what this is. We're going to come over here, see what's going on. Oh, I see. Oh, that's AUD strong. We got a lot of strong pairs here, guys. So this is kind of a little weird. It's 837 right now. So the market may be trending really, really well, or it may be battling depending on the currency pair that we're trading. Like if we were to trade AUD CAD, it's probably not going one way or the other in direction. It may be stuck in between a zone where we can trade from zone to zone. If we're looking at GBP JPY, JPY is stronger. So theoretically, what I really want to do with JPY is I want to sell JPY because it's stronger. Because when you're looking at the platform, it says GBP, which is in the first column, and then JPY is in the second column. The first column, you're going to always buy, and then the second column, you're going to sell. And then I can show you guys a little bit more with that, actually. Let me go over here, and I'll tell you another way you could always remember if you should be buying or if you should be selling. So this platform right here is TradingView. And do I have anything hooked up? I do not have anything hooked up over here. So right here, you have a red button. Nope, we're not going to do that because it's different here. Disregard, guys. Disregard. All right, so now let's look at our Forex factory. Just go to Google. You can type in the currency strength meter in Google as well as Forex Factory. Now, why we use Forex Factory is going to tell us our news for the day. So anytime anybody's in power and anytime that they speak, they really can't impact the way that currency is moving for that country. Like right here, Great Britain pound, GBP. We see that it was a red folder at 2 a.m. on December 13th. So this time is already passed. So with this saying this, I wouldn't trade GBP during that time because that means that the market can do either it can go up, it can go down, it can look like it's going up and really go down, or it can look like it's selling off and it can be really buying. You really just don't know what that currency is going to do. Now, everything we do over here is color coordinated. So I'm going to break this platform down so you know which currencies you should be looking at, which ones you should be avoiding, and which ones you can be like, I may take a little chance on this. So prime example, red folders, stay away. Just don't trade. That's for my new traders, beginner traders, intermediate traders, advanced trader. If you do not know how to read the red folders, just stay away. Then you got your yellow folders. So the red is your high impact news. The yellow folders are your low impact news. You can trade these, guys. So you got yellow right here. Here's the currency. So GBP after 2 a.m. was completely red. But me personally, I'm not trading any of this until the next hour because this is yellow, but I don't know how long this red folder impacted this news during this time. I don't know if it was 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. I just don't know. So I'm not going to trade that until a minimum of 3 a.m. Within that next hour. And then you have your orange folders. Your orange folders are your medium impact news. You can trade these, but just be cautious when you're trading an orange folder. And then you have your yellow, which is low impact news. You can trade that, but still be cautious. But it's yellow. It's less likely for anything drastic to happen during that time. And then there's a gray folder, which is not on here right now. There's no gray folders because everything has a little bit of news. So if you see a gray folder, just know you can trade that as well because nothing is greatly impacting that that country's currency at the time. Now, best time to trade. Scroll down here to the bottom. I love to trade this time session right here, the London, New York session. The reason I like trading during that time is because that's when there's the most money in the market. That's when it's the most value in the market. That's when you get into a trade and she's gone. She doesn't come back versus trying to trade during the Sydney and Tokyo session where the market may move a little bit slower. Yes, I trade during this time. Yes, I do win during this time, but it's not as strong as this one. So it really depends on the type of trader that you are and actually the strategy that you're using. Guys, listen, we are going to be using a demo account. And if you're unsure about what time you want to trade, go ahead and trade during each session and see which one works best for you based on the strategy that you're using and the type of trader that you are. Now, you guys can create an account here. It's free. Both platforms are completely free to create an account. When you create an account over here, it's going to go ahead and you can go in there and change your settings. So when you change your settings, when you're looking at your time zone here, it will match to where you are currently. So right now we're in a prime time to trade the London, New York session because it's an overlap. Now, listen, guys, me personally, I love to trade from 3 a.m. all the way to about 9:15, 9:45, really. For me, for the way I trade, that is my golden time. Now, Callie, I see you over there taking notes. Don't be taking all the notes, Callie. I see you. But that is my best time to take those trades. Yolanda, don't look at the map. I know you're driving. Don't look at the map. I see you. Now, let's get to the platform. The platform we're going to be using today, guys, is Pocket Option. Now, I need you guys to all be on your demo account. Now, I know a lot of you guys like to get on your live accounts like Tony T. When I say demo, y'all on your live account, and I get it. But listen, guys, today I want you all to be on the Daniel strategy. I mean, your demo account, especially if you've never used this strategy. Okay, this is a different ball game. Now, the way this strategy works, kind of like a lot of my other ones, but this one is different. And the reason I say this is different because really, when we start off, guys, you only have these two lines right here. And that's it. But what I decided to do, for those that have the reckoning, I added this just for visual representation because I want to see how it reacts with the Daniel strategy. For those of you who've used the reckoning, I also added my triangles. I want to see how it reacts to using the reckoning. And then for those of you who have the upgraded reckoning, I do have my line following price as well. Okay, guys? Now, if you've never been on this platform before, you guys already know we have a buy button, we have a red button, we have our currencies right here. We get to select the currencies that we want to select. I will be using this on OTC today, guys. Everything, all my strategies work across the board, stocks, commodities, indices, and currencies. But I really like the OTC because it pays out the most. Now, a lot of individuals are scared to trade the OTC market, and I get it. I truly do, because they understand that the broker can manipulate it. Yeah, the broker will fight against you. But listen, guys, the broker's going to always fight against you no matter what. If you're trading OTC, if you're trading stocks, if you're trading Forex, the broker is the one that wants to win. Now, if you guys remember, I said I love trading during the London and New York session, right? The reason I like trading during that session, because that's when the most money is in the market. So we are just retail traders, guys. That's all that we are. We are retail traders. So I want to trade with the major corporations, the hedge funds, the big banks. I want to put my money, my 100, my couple thousand with them, okay? Because when they bring their millions and trillions of dollars into the market, I just want to be a sprinkle on top of the cake, because that's it. And take the whole cake. Now, how this strategy works: you can trade on your demo account. You can trade anywhere from $1 to $1,000, guys. So adjust it however you want to. I'm going to do $1,000 on my demo over here. My trade time, you want to make sure that this is not a flag. You want to make sure it's the clock. Click in there. If it's on S15, you want to just click down to put it on S5, or you could just hit the S5, guys. The S stands for seconds. Hit the S5. The M stands for minute, and the H stands for hour. We're taking 5-second trades. Now, the currencies that I will be looking at today, I'm looking at everything that pays out 92%. So over here on the left, there's stars. I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to click those stars real quick. And the reason I'm clicking those stars is so my currencies populate at the top, and that allows me to cycle through some trades really fast, to look for the ideal setup. Now, what we're looking for, we're looking to enter the trade when this crosses, guys. And I have my candles on 5-second candles, hike and ash, okay? Make sure you enable the timer, enable the auto scroll, enable grid snap. So when this, and we're just going, I'm going to tell you guys now, I'm going to explain this just off the first rule when you buy this strategy. Your job, your goal is to enter the trade when this thing crosses, when it crosses through, and then you could take every single trade, right? But if you get a green candle, because we're using the hike and ash candles, that is your pause button to wait. Then you wait for it to go red, and then you can get back in. And that's cool, especially if you get a good wave. But what I did was I added the triangles too, to give me a caution or a warning inside this system. Because if we're looking right here, we got the cross, we would have took that trade, we would have took that next one, we probably would have lost this one, right? It turned green, so we would have waited. Green, waited. We got our triangle telling us the market wants to go down. We would have seen what's going on here, then we could potentially took those other trades. So what we want to do, and then also for the reckoning, I added this to see who's in control as well, right? So what I'm going to do, we're going to look for a good setup. And if you guys have the reckoning and you're on here and you see a setup, let me know. So what I'm looking for again is I'm looking for something to cross, guys. Because if you notice right here, we get a cross, major drop. Boom, boom, boom. And we're in 5 seconds and we're out. So let's see if we can catch it back. This crossed up. It wasn't ready. Wasn't ready to over here. And then those who have the upgraded reckoning, I want you to pay attention to our price line, because I will utilize that as well. All right, so she's getting ready to sell. She's just not ready. So I can potentially take this for a sell. I'm selling. I'm selling CAD JPY. I'm going to take every single trade. That's a clear. Yep. Now, this was off a continuation, guys. Boom. Let's go. Come on. I'm going to pull back. I'm going to wait. Pull back. And practical. That was off a continuation. There we go. I'm going to take this next one. Boom. CAD JPY. Come on. Now, I did see that practical. Hold on. There it is. There's another one. So this was off a continuation. The reason I took this didn't cross, but what happened was it came up like it wanted to cross, and then it dropped under. So I'm waiting for price to break this level to potentially enter again. I'm going to wait. I'm not going to enter right now. I'm going to take this one, though. Pull back. Come on. All right. So she wants to turn around. Let me leave her alone. She's not ready. She already did what she wanted to do. We caught a couple dollars out of there. Let's find one that's about to cross. And what I want to do, let me zoom out a little bit. It's gonna go there. Oh, got one. Come on. This says I'm taking AUD Chef right now. That's a clear. Taking it again. We got a fractal, so I'm gonna pause. See, I'm glad I added the triangles, the fractals, because they give you the warning of what's going on. So I know that my sellers are still in control. I'm just going to be patient and I'm going to wait. So now she's turning into a buy. Look, I was able to catch this trade off the continuation because the move happened back here. Now, as I scanned through the pairs, I didn't see anything setting up, which is okay because something will present itself. Continuation. I need you to drop. Yep, there it is. I'm taking this next one. Yep.
Chef Noke.
I'm on you, Jay. I'm on you, Jay. Riding that wave. I'm on you, Jay. There we go. Oh, pull back. There we go. Taking the next one. Nothing is telling me to get out, guys. So I'm going to take every single trade, guy. Up, pull back. Up. Now, if you guys have been following me, you see this candle did not create a lower low. So I did not enter. And then we got a fractal right there. We got a triangle. You said Noke? You said Noke?
Chef Noke. Yep.
Chef Noke. Move this out the way. CHFN. Okay. Chef Noke. Let's spend out 50%. 50%. Okay, let's see what we're getting, though. We're getting ready to turn into a buy. I love it. So we got the cross here already. Doesn't matter. But let's see what happens here. So we got the cross up for a buy. Buyers are still in control. I'm going to be patient right now. And I'm just going to wait because I'm going to see if this is going to come down. And then I'm going to be ready to take these for sales because we're underneath our red line. So I'm waiting for my signal. You guys see the signal here from Reckoning that I added on as well, which is additional. We did just get our triangle, meaning it wants to reverse. So I have to be patient right now and see what this market wants to do. We literally have a zone right here now. We got a lower zone right here. I want you guys to pay attention to. We got the higher zone right here. So let's see where price is going. And you know, we got the 50% line right here. This is telling me it wants to sell. So I just need to be patient real quick. Now I need to see if I'm going to buy or am I going to sell. There we go. We're getting ready to cross. I will enter this next trade for a sell. If it closes below, I'm going to take that for a sell. Let's see what happens. I need more time. Got a green. I'm going to wait. Fractal. Let me be patient. There you go. I needed to break that level. Boom. Oh, that was a bad. That was a bad. Give me that. That was a bad. That thing spiked up. I'm taking this next one for a sell. I'm looking for her to drop, guys. She needs to break that level. So what you're seeing right now, we took a lesson there. What you're seeing is price is getting stuck off that level right here where this triangle is. I needed to break this level to continue to go down. And then we have another zone here. We're turning into a buy right now. This is good. But I need this line to cross this line before I enter that trade. And if you guys know here, this is still saying sellers are in control. So let's see what's happening. I'm going to take these for buys, guys. This is early. I'm going to take these. I'm going to take them early. Let me see. Let me see. Go ahead. Do what you do. Nope, she's not ready. Ooh, come on. Come on. Cross. Come on, cross. Not yet. Come on. Come on. Do what you got to do. Ah, I got a fractal. Okay. Go. Ah, I wanted a better entry right there, man. She jumped on me at the last second. Let's go. Come on. There we go. Come on. Come on. Triangle. I got to chill. I got to chill. I got to chill. I got to chill. So those who have the upgraded reckoning, when you see that candle close underneath that line, that is also another caution that the market is ready to go the other way. There we go. Closing above. So it's telling me it wants to buy. That's what it's telling me. I'm going to wait. What's she doing? Nope. Not yet. Not yet. I see you coming down. I see you coming down. What do you want to do? Are you going to break this low? Or are you going to come and touch this level? Are you going to close below my red line? What are you going to do? There we go. Chef note, turn into a buy, close above. I'm taking that. Come on. Come on. Get up there. Get up there. Taking this next one. Ah, triangle. Come on. Break that level. There we go. Come on. Come on now. Go ahead. There you go. Come on. There you go. Come on. Take the next one. Come on. There we go. Come on. Get up there. Yep. Come on. Taking the next one. Ah, I wanted that. That was supposed to be an entry right here. They put my entry right there, y'all. That's crazy. There we go. Now we got a triangle. So I need to pause until it breaks that level. That's another clear. Come on. Now I'm going to chill because now that candle just opened underneath that purple line. Now it's dropping off. So I need to wait. This is telling me that she's starting to sell right here, but I don't want to sell. I don't want to take it for sale. Why? Because we got the cross here. I want to go with the trend. The trend is telling me to buy. So now I just have to wait. I'm being patient. Being patient. Being patient. Sell time? No, because the yellow line did not cross my red. So I'm not going to sell. I don't care that this dropped down here. I don't care that this is on top because remember, this isn't even part of the strategy. I need to wait for that cross. And this pair is getting really, really erratic right now. You see it came down and it touched our previous line right here. Got touches here, bounced up, came touched. So this one didn't touch all the way. Oh, my. I should be taking buys. Go. Boom. Let's go. So I'm looking to take it to this zone right here. I'm going to lose this one. I'm looking to take it to this level right here. And then we have another level right here. So now she's being indecisive. That candle, this candle came and closed underneath that purple. So I'm just going to be patient. There's my triangle telling me that it wants to turn around. So I have to see and wait and see if it turns around. We're still dropping. We got buyers coming into the market right here, pushing this price up, pushing the candles up. There's buy. There's buy. I'm going to take this for a buy because it's still an overall buy. It didn't tell me to abort. This is faked out. There's a triangle. So now we have a whole nother zone. I'm done with this pair for now because we have a tight zone here. And then we have another zone. Oh, man, we got a zone there too. And then we have a zone right here. So this is a tight area. All this is tight right now. We're creating lower lows, what I see, meaning every red candle that we see is going lower, lower, lower. This one didn't. Got the reversal. There we go. That's what I want. Come on, take that, take that. There we go. Come on, get up there. Get back up there. There we go. Let's go. Come on. Yes, sir. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Give me that. Come on. That's a clear. Okay. This one, I cleared that one too. Let's go. Up there it is. Oh, she's still going. Come on. I'm taking that next one. Come on. Get to that level. Pull back. So she's trying to respect that level right there. She's slowly going up there, y'all. She's slowly making her way. So we just got to catch the waves. Let her come back, breathe, then go. Come back, breathe, then go. So now I'm looking for her to come back down and then go again. But what I'm looking for is to have her go to this level and break that level. This is how you can literally stay on one pair. She almost broke. Almost. Not ready. Not ready. I'm about to leave this one alone right now. There we go. Red. Come on. Let's see what you do at this level. There we go. That's a buy. I low-key want to enter. Hold on. Nope, not yet. I need a candle. Come on. Okay. Where are you going? Okay. Ooh. Oh. She's coming back down. So what do we expect next? To go right back up. And let's see if we break this level now and see how many we can catch on the way for the buy. Now, what we do have to, there we go. This is good area. This is good real estate. There's no levels really between here and here. So we just got to be patient and wait right now. Come on. I'm looking for price to close above this line right here, guys. That's what I want. I don't want to trade in between the zone. There's my caution saying the market wants to turn around, so I'm just waiting. Boom, there she go. Oh, my. That was a huge shoot up. Get up there. Taking that next one. Come on. That's a clear. Come on, get up there. There we go. Get up there. There we go. Taking this next one. Come on. Keep going. Get back up. Get up there. Get up there. Taking this next one. Up. I'm going to chill. She may be ready to take a break, so I'm going to lose this one. I'm okay with that. Here's my triangle. Now let's see what she does here. Okay. She's still respecting this level so far. Still. Yep. Boom. Okay. I see you. I see you. Buyers are still here. Buyers are still here. Is that a green? I'm taking that. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Push up there. That's a clear. Come on. Push up there. Come on. Up. Okay. I'm okay. I'm going to chill. This candle opened up lower than this one, so I'm going to wait. Now I'm looking for my triangle. I'm looking for my triangle, and I'm looking to see what price does off these levels, because overall it's still a buy because we're above that line. Now we did just get a triangle right there, and we broke that level. We broke that level, guys. We may be turning into a sell. If we are turning into a sell, I am done trading. Let's see if we can catch some to the bottom. So we got some zones here. We got some zones, and we still need this to cross to really take this for a sell. We need a confirmation that the overall trend has turned into a sell. But guys, look, as we were trading this, I was able to click on these lines based off our triangles, draw our zones, and see where price is going. Oh, that is beautiful. Oh, my. Come on, I need that cross. I need that cross. Let's see where she go. This is Chef Note. Chef Note. We are done with everything else. I am saving this to its own category. Absolutely. I'm gonna wait. Chef Noke is about to do his thing. Man, Chef, there you go. Right there. Now, this would have paid out more, guys. This was a 50% pair. So if we were trading a 92% pair, guys, it would have been even better. Like we would have really made a bag. Like seriously. So what I'm looking for right now, I know we crossed, but I'm personally waiting for price to break those triangle levels down there at the bottom. That's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking for. And if it doesn't do that, I'm not gonna trade it. There we go. Come on. There you go. Come on. There we go. Come on. Looking to enter on the next one, guys. If it closes below, I'm taking that. Come on. Now push. I need you to push. Remember, when you take a trade after a candle normally breaks that level, that triangle level, that one's kind of like a pause candle, guys. It always is, but I take it anyway. I always do. And I'm going to be done with this, actually. She's doing some funny stuff. Yeah, I'm done. But anyway, that right there is the Daniel strategy, guys. For all you scholars that are on the line, stay on the call. We're going to do Q&A. You guys can ask whatever questions that you want. For those of you that are tuning in from Facebook, YouTube, Twitch, Instagram, I appreciate every single one of you guys. And then all of you that are watching the replay, thank you so much. If you have questions, drop a comment below. Let me know where you're watching this video from. I know I have people tuning in from Germany and Japan. Yo, y'all let me know, man. I would love to see you guys in the chat, in the comments. But we'll be back on tomorrow again at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And if there's a strategy that you want me to go more in depth with, just join these calls. I'll put my Telegram link down below. It's a free chat. You guys can go ahead and come in, get on these calls, come in here with me, ask your questions, because that's what we're about to do right now is the Q&A portion of this. If you want to go ahead and secure a strategy, go ahead and go over there to my website, like I mentioned before, at www.kobksalute.com. And I have just incorporated a way for you guys to make payments on a strategy that you deem fit for your trading style. Well, until next time, it's your boy KOBK. We out of here. Bop, 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 bop. Everything is color coordinated. Candles underneath the red line, that's 1. Red on top, that's 2. Red down here, that is 3. 1, 2, that's 3. Those are the 3 signals to enter the trade to let you know that it's a good trade. But what we look for, our entry point when taking these trades, is our cross right here.